In 2025, dropshipping is still one of the easiest ways to break into e-commerce. With low upfront costs, zero inventory requirements, and the appeal of flexible remote income, it's no wonder millions are giving it a try. In fact, Shopify estimates that over 2.5 million new online stores launched globally in the past year, and many of them followed a dropshipping model. Social media has only added fuel to the fire, from TikTok showcasing overnight success screenshots to YouTube tutorials promising five-figure months. The dream of passive income feels more attainable than ever. But here's the part most people skip over. More than 90% of these stores shut down within 6 months. Not because dropshipping doesn't work, not because e-commerce is dead, but because most beginners dive in with unrealistic expectations, no strategy, and the wrong tools. The reality, the e-commerce in 2025 is more competitive than ever. Customers expect fast delivery, real-time updates, and brands they can trust. If you can't meet those expectations, they'll bounce and often leave a one-star review that damages your reputation before you even had a chance to grow. Why most beginners fail? Most beginners follow the same pattern. They find a so-called winning product from a viral TikTok or YouTube video, launch a simple Shopify store, and start running ads. A few others come in, and for the moment, it feels like it's working. But the issues appear fast. Products take 20 to 35 days to arrive. Some never ship. Quality is inconsistent. Tracking numbers don't update. Refund requests start flooding in. This isn't rare. 66% of negative reviews on beginner dropshipping stores relate to slow delivery or poor product quality. Why? Because most beginners rely on suppliers that weren't built for scale and logistics that can't meet modern consumer expectations. In today's market, people expect Amazon level speed. If your shipping takes weeks, your customers won't wait. They'll cancel, complain, and never come back. How the top 10% actually win. So if most stores fail, what do the top 10% do differently? These are the sellers who consistently scale to 5, 6, or even 7-figure revenues, and they don't rely on luck. From day one, they build their operations like real businesses. First, they ditch slow suppliers. Instead of waiting for more than 20 days, they partner with vendors who ship from local warehouses in the US, bringing delivery time down from 2 to 3 days, enough to match customer expectations. Second, they only launch products that are vetted using platforms or tools that verify supplier reliability, ensure quality control, and analyze past sales data. No more gambling on unproven or low-quality listings from random marketplaces. Third, they automate their backend. No more manually copy-pasting addresses or chasing down tracking numbers at 2 a.m. Their order flow, fulfillment, and even customer emails run on systems, not on guesswork. But most importantly, they understand that they're not just selling a product, they're building a brand. They invest into storytelling, trust signals, polished visuals, and excellent customer service. While others are chasing the next viral item, they're focused on long-term customer loyalty. That's the real difference. Amateurs sell products, professionals build systems and brands. Third, what makes Doba different? This is where Doba changes the game. Unlike typical marketplaces that leave you guessing, Doba is a full-stack supply chain platform built for modern e-commerce sellers who want the flexibility of dropshipping without the chaos of poor logistics. Doba gives you access to over 1,100 curated products, many of which are fulfilled directly from the US-based warehouses. That's a big deal because when products arrive in 3 to 5 business days, not 3 to 5 weeks, your refund rates drop and your customer satisfaction rises. In fact, internal partner data shows that stores using Doba see 75% fewer shipping complaints compared to traditional dropshipping sources. But Doba isn't just about fast delivery, it's built on automation. When you add a product from Doba to your Shopify store, the platform handles it all. Real-time inventory sync, dynamic pricing, auto-fill descriptions, and seamless order routing. No more copy-pasting SKUs or waking up to out-of-stock items you've already advertised. It turns what used to be a manual, error-prone workflow into a streamlined engine, giving you time to focus on what actually grows your business: marketing, branding, and customer experience. Fourth, using AI to work smarter, not harder. Doba doesn't just offer products, it provides powerful tools to streamline and scale your dropshipping business. With Doba's AI Hub, tasks that once consumed hours are now automated, allowing you to focus on growing and strategy. AI Store Builder, launch your store in minutes. Kickstart your e-commerce journey effortlessly. Professional store creation. Generate a fully functional online store tailored to your chosen niche without any technical skills. Customizable themes. Select from a range of eye-catching customizable themes to captivate your audience. Preloaded winning products. Start strong with a curated selection of high-demand products ready for scale. AI Auto Lister. Keep your inventory fresh and competitive. Maintain a dynamic product catalog with ease. Daily product updates. Access a constantly refreshed selection of trending products to keep your offerings current. Automated listings. Save time with seamless, hands-free product listing processes. Real-time inventory sync. Ensure accurate stock levels and prevent overselling with real-time updates. AI Product Finder. Discover high-profit products instantly. Enhance your product sourcing strategy. Niche-based discovery. Input your niche and the AI delivers tailored product recommendations. Data-driven insights. Leverage AI and big data to analyze market trends and consumer behavior. Curated selections. Benefit from expertly fine-tuned algorithms that provide daily improvements and high-profit suggestions. These AI-powered tools are not just for beginners. They serve as growth multipliers for experienced sellers. By automating routine tasks, you can allocate more time to strategic initiatives like marketing, customer engagement, and business development. By now, you have probably realized something important. Success in e-commerce isn't just about finding a secret product, it's about building a system that works. Doba won't make you rich overnight. It's not a magic button, but what it can do is to remove headaches that cause most stores to fail. Unreliable suppliers, endless manual tasks, and slow, frustrating shipping. Instead of wasting hours fixing problems, you get to spend your time on what actually grows your business: marketing, storytelling, and building trust. So if you're just starting out or starting over, Doba might be the one of the smartest tools you can add to your toolkit. You'll find the link down in the description if you want to check it out. Because at the end of the day, e-commerce in 2025 doesn't reward those who move the fastest, it rewards those who build the smartest. See you next time.